Hello and welcome to Goa 365's Face to Face. Today is a slightly different topic, little off topic, and with me to discuss this issue and to talk about this issue and to talk about the general situation. You'll understand once I start and once I introduced my guest, my good friend Urfan Mullah. Urfan Bab, welcome to our show. First, I would like to congratulate you. You become the chairman of the Hajj Committee of Goa. So, congrats, and hopefully you will be able to do a lot for your committee from there. What exactly a Hajj Committee does? Amka sang for our audience.
सगळ्यात पयलीं हांव गोंयचे आमचे पार्टीचे प्रेसिडेंट बाब सदानंद तनावडे आनी आमचो गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी फूल भारतीय जनता पार्टीक की तेमी म्हाजेर एक विश्वास दवरून जे आसा हज कमिटीक म्हाका चेअरमॅन म्हणून जे आसा नियुक्त करून काडलो. हज कमिटीचें बेजीक जे काम आसा हेज्या पयलीं गोंयांत हज कमिटी आसली आनी हेंचें काम जे आसता जे आमचें जे एक पिलर जो आसा एज अ मुस्लीम कम्युनिटी टू परफॉर्म द हज टू गो टू सौदी अरेबिया एंड दे हॅव टू परफॉर्म द हज. तांकां वचपाक लागून जी सुविधा आसपाक जाय तांकां धाडपाक हांगाच्यान फ्रॉम गोवा टू बॉम्बे आनी बॉम्बे टू सौदी वयताले. सो ही जी तांकां जी सुविधा आसपाक जाय फॅसिलिटीज आसपाक जाय ती आमची स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट जी आसा दोज पीपल हू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू गो टू द सौदी अरेबिया आमी सगळे फॅसिलिटीज जे आसा अरेंज करून दिता विजाज घेवन सगळे फॅसिलिटीज जे आसा तांकां जे आसा आमच्या हज कमिटीन होम डिपार्टमेंट जो आसा हो जो आसा आपल्या अंडर जे आसा हे सगळे प्रोटोकॉलाचे अंडर तांकां परफॉर्म करून दिता आनी तेजी जी फीज जी आसता वी हॅव टू पे टू द आमचे जे मायनॉरिटी अफेर्स आनी एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स तांकां आमी पेमेंट करता आनी अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट and there is a quota given to every state. Okay. This time we have got around 200 जे आसा quota जो मेळ्ळा because see after COVID जे आसा हाजाचो quota जे आसा सौदी अरेबिया has very less. And what happened discount जो आसलो तोय कांय नासलो. But what happened Smriti Irani after taking the first lady and Hindu community ladies took charge as a minority affairs. हाज्या पयलीं केन्नाच मायनॉरिटी अफेर्स जे आसा दुसरी कम्युनिटी वांगडा कोणान केन्ना दिवं नासला बट मोदी ट्रस्टेड स्मृती इराणी एंड तेजे अंडर जे आसा ही जे आसा मिनिस्ट्री मेळ्ळी एंड आफ्टर टेकिंग द चार्ज स्मृती इराणी टूक द चार्ज एज अ मायनॉरिटी अफेर्स मिनिस्टर शी हॅज टेकन अ वंडरफूल डिसिजन एंड वॉट द डिसिजन म्हणल्यार कितें की ताणें कितें केलें की जो रेट आसलो अरावंड 50,000 पर हाजी शी हॅव ताणें जे डिस्कावंटाचेर हाडलो आमकां आनी आयज जो आसा 50,000 जे आसा लेस पेमेंट करून जे आसा हाज्या वचपाची सुविधा आमचे जे आसा दोगांयकूय बायल आनी घोव हांकां दोगांयकूय जे आसा 50,000 जे आसा वयता जाल्यार तांकां सुविधा जी आसा ही सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक पावय दिला की तांकां जे आसा धाडपाक लागून ही सुविधा जी आसा ही डिस्कावंट जे आसा तांकां मेळटली म्हणून जे मनीस प्रायवेट वचूंक सोदता तांकां ही फॅसिलिटीज मेळपाची ना आनी देर इज अ लिमिटेड कोटा अरावंड 1,80,000 पीपल ऑल ओवर इंडिया जे आसा दे हॅव गिवन ऑल द स्टेट हॅज बीन डिवायडेड आमची मातशी जी आसा पॉप्युलेशन इज व्हेरी लेस on that ground we got around 200 as a quota and I think it is so fast म्हाका 10-12 दीस जाता थंय आसा आनी आमचे जे ऑफिसान जे काम करता आमचो जो म्हाजी जी टीम आसा यंग सगळे भुरगे यंग ब्रिगेड आय गॉट माय पार्टी द पीपल हू हॅव वर्क फॉर अवर पार्टी गिवन देम चान्स टू वर्क आनी तांकां एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळी त्या भुरग्यांक एवरीबडी इज वर्किंग आनी ते बाबडे हातपाय मारून जे आसा आयज जाता तितले तेमी फॉर्मा भरून एक्चुअली 122 आयज बसून जे आसा आमचो जाल्लो आनी आमचे कडेन जे आसा एक टील 20th आमचे कडेन टायम आसा म्हाका दिसता 150 कोटा जो आसता ताका आमकां एक जो आसा फ्री मनी धाडपाक मेळटा टू लूक आफ्टर एवरीथींग सो तांचें कितें काम तांकां सामान उबारपाक जाय आनी कितें करपाक जाय इट इज कॉल्ड खिदमतूल हाजी म्हणून मेळटा सो तो आमकां मेळटलो आनी ते कॅटेगरीन जे आसा आमी बसतले म्हणजे आमकां फूल जे आसा म्हायती आनी आमकां इतलें खबर आसा की एम्बार्केशन जो पॉयंट आसा गोंयान जो आसा एम्बार्केशन पॉयंट नासलो एम्बार्केशन पॉयंट म्हळ्यार कितें जाता फायदो कितें आसता की डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम गोवा टू सौदी अरेबिया फ्लायट आसता नाजाल्यार जाता कितें हांगाच्यान जे आसा आमकां तांकां लोड करपाचें आनी परतून बॉम्बे व्हरपाचें बॉम्बे 1-2 दीस धरप सो तांकां थंय एक्सपेन्स वाडटा तेंचो आनी हॉटेलांनी धरप आनी कितें करप सो देन तेंचें सामान जें आसता तेंचे बाकीचे कितें आसता ते सगळे हांगा थंय जे आसा मिसप्लेस जाता आणि त्यांची एजूय जी असता 70 असता कोण 75 असता 60 असता ते एज फॅक्टर बी असता सो त्या ग्राउंडाचेर आमकां मुख्यमंत्री आणि आमचे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट्स दे वॉन्टेड दॅट दीस फ्लायट शूड गो फ्रॉम गोवा and आमी तेजे जे आसा सक्षम आसा. वी ऑलरेडी गिवन कमिटमेंट टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा की हांगाच्यान जे लोक जे आसा जे मी फॉर्मा भरल्या गोवाच्यान, वी विल सी दॅट द फ्लायट शूड गो फ्रॉम गोवा, फ्रॉम मोपा एअरपोर्ट. आणि आमचो मुख्यमंत्री हॅज गिवन अस एश्युरन्स इन द फर्स्ट मिटींग इट सेल्फ की बाबा की गोंयांच्यान जी आसा फर्स्ट फ्लायट जी आसा ही साऊदी अरेबिया वयतली म्हणून. 150चो आमचो कोटा जातलो जाल्यार ऑटोमॅटिकली जे आसा वी विल ट्राय की बाबा अदरवायज वॉट हॅपन नाल्यार आमकां जे आसा बाकीचे सिटांचे पयशे जे आसा बिकॉज फ्लायटीचे जे फूल जे फ्लायट जे आसा फूल जावपाची गरज आसता, नाल्यार तांकां जे उरल्या ते मागीर ते फ्लायटाचे एक्सपेन्स कोण करतलो. बट स्टील वी आर प्लॅनिंग फॉर दॅट एंड आमकां खात्री आसा की सिन्स एम्बार्केशन पॉयंट इज इन मोपा, आमी जे आसा जे फ्लायट जे आसा गोवाच्यान करपाक जे आसा आमी जे आसा
फर्स्ट टाइम नो फ्रॉम मोपा फ्रॉम गोवा.
फर्स्ट टाइम मोपाच्यान गोंयांच्यान फर्स्ट टाइम जे आसा फ्लायट वयता. हेच्या पयलीं जे आसा एम्बार्केशन पॉयंट वर नॉट दे, बट ड्युरींग बिफोर वेन देर वॉज मोहम्मद इकबाल चेअरमॅन वॉज दे, दॅट टायम एक 3 फ्लायट्स जे आसा गोंयांच्यान जे आसा फ्लाय जाल्ली दाबोली एअरपोर्टाच्यान फ्लाय जाल्ली. एंड वी आर ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ दॅट टायम. एंड मनोहर भाई वॉज ऑल्सो देर. त्या टायमार जे आसा मोपाच्यान जे आसा आमची दाबोलीच्यान जे आसा फ्लायट जाल्ली. सो सेम ग्राउंड जे आसा आमी वी आर ट्रायंग फॉर, वी आर प्लॅनिंग फॉर जे आसा की लोकांक जे आसा त्रास जावपाक जाय म्हणून चीफ मिनिस्टर की बाबा डायरेक्ट फ्लायट गोवा टू साऊदी अरेबिया जे आसा हे पाटी वचपाची जे आसा चान्सीस आसा.
आता तुम्ही रिसेंटली अपॉइंट झाला. ओके, नाउ एज फार एज व्हॉट वी नो, एज फार एज व्हॉट वी नो दॅट युअर पोस्ट has got cabinet status all over the country, right? In different states. I don't know. That's what we have got. You have to confirm, right? That is right. Yeah, but then why is there was a controversy suddenly when you were appointed in Goa cabinet status, so-called opposition parties, which are explain to me. Mauna exactly.
See, cabinet status whether I am getting or not, that's a different part.
Okay.
But party जैसा मागा जे position दिला as a chairman.
No, why the controversy?
Controversy means what happened? आम आदमी पार्टी यांच्या पोटांक दुखपाक लागले. काँग्रेस पार्टी सो कॉल्ड सेक्युलर जे आपल्याक सेक्युलर म्हणटा, आम आदमी पार्टी दे टेक सेक्युलर वोट्स एंड दे थिंक एनसीपी सेक्युलर पार्टी, टीएमसी सेक्युलर पार्टी म्हणटा. हे पार्टी जे सेक्युलर म्हणटा सो कॉल्ड वी आर द सेक्युलर पार्टीज एंड मुस्लिम्स आर आवर वोटर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम द बाबा मुस्लिम इज गिवन सो मच इम्पॉर्टंट इन भारतीय जनता पार्टी. सो आतां पोटान कितें आसा ते हजम जावपाक जाय न्हू. ऑपोजिशनाक जे आसा हांकां हजम जावना ते. हे दे थॉट की मुस्लिम म्हणटा दे आर वोट बँक्स. वाय दे वील अट्रॅक्ट टू द बीजेपी एंड इफ इट इज गिवन लायक दीस आमचो सगळो जो हें केलो इम्पॉर्टंट केलो की मुस्लिम ऑल्सो गिवन इम्पॉर्टंट टू द दिस थिंग बीजेपी मुस्लिमाकूय इम्पॉर्टंट येवपाक लागलो. सो थंय खंय पोटांक दुखोवन जे आसा हे इतले उचामट जाले सगळे आनी दे हॅव स्टार्टेड गिवींग द स्टेटमेंट्स. हे थोडे जे फ्रॉड आसा आम आदमी पार्टीन जो आसा फ्रॉड जे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट केल्लो कडेन आसा हो फ्रॉड हेणे लायफ एंड फक्त फ्रॉड करून जे आसा हो वयर सरला. ही हॅज डन ओनली फ्रॉड्स. सो ही नो ओनली टू गिव स्टेटमेंट ऑन दॅट ओनली. हेणे लायफान आपूण फ्रॉड करून वयर सरला. सो ही थिंग्स बाबा आयज कोणाक कितें मेळटा हें हेजे कडेन पळोवपाक जायना. So this is the reason बाबा he can't see the person is coming up in the BJP and if I come आम्ही वयर सरलो जाल्यार ऑटोमॅटिकली जे दुसरे जे पार्टीचे जे आमचे जे मुस्लिम्स कम्युनिटी दे आर लुकिंग नाव अरे वाय बीजेपी इज ऑलमोस्ट गिविंग इम्पॉर्टंट सगळे कामां जे आयज आमचे करता कसले जे आसा आमचे आयज भारतीय जनता पार्टीन आमचें काम जायना. आयज तुमी सांगपाचें की बाबा भारतीय जनता पार्टी खंय जे आसा आयज पार्टीचो प्रेसिडेंट एंड चीफ मिनिस्टर खंयचे आयज आमचें काम करिना तें आमकां सांगपाचें. आयज हेंचे कडेन हेंचे तोंडाक जे आसा लॉक मारलेले कडेन आसा. काँग्रेस पार्टीचे तोंडाक लॉक पडला, आम आदमी पार्टीचे तोंडाक लॉक पडला, एनसीपी जे आसा हे जे हेंचे दुकान बंद जाल्ले कडेन आसा. सो दीस शॉप्स हॅव क्लोज जाल्ले कडेन आसा. दिस टायम आम आदमी पार्टी 2 जिंकला, नेक्स्ट टायम म्हाका दिसता एकूय सीट जिखपाची ना गोंयान. हेजो प्रेसिडेंट इट सेल्फ इज अ फ्रॉड. सो पीपल बाबा जो मनीस मेल्ली मनशाची शेल्डीड मारता हे मनशाचेर आनी कोण म्हाका सांगा तुमी हू वील ट्रस्ट सच टायप ऑफ पर्सन.
Okay, we'll discuss that a little later, different topic, little off topic gele. But my point is that it's not new, no. All states also give that status. Now, why only in Goa that controversy is there?
See, then
but no, confirm. All other states, this is what information what we have.
No,
got.
this is correct. See, just now I got a call from our Karnataka. Also, jo Hajj committee so chairman is. He also got a state rank, and all the facilities. I also given all the facilities by my dear chief minister.
No, but it's correct. Other states,
yeah, other states have given Hajj cabinet status, and I think today or tomorrow, I'm having full faith in my party president. whatever facilities other state is getting, the same I will get.
Okay.
There is no doubt about it.
Okay.
And I am having full confidence in my party president and Chief Minister of Goa.
Okay. Now this in Goa basically, how do you all go? Like when is it you all are supposed to go for the Hajj? The dates.
See, it is after Ramzan, around 45
Okay.
days. After
Okay.
Ramzan, 45 days. And now Bakri Eid, before Bakri Eid.
Okay.
So we have to perform Hajj. And आमचो Hajj जो end जाता, it is Bakri Eid we have to do. वो Hajj जे असा end जाता. So after around 45 days of Ramzan, so gaps असा. आमचा Ramzan जाऊन
So
45
your
days.
applications and all you all have.
Yeah, we have already started online application forms, and now we got another extension of till 20th March.
20th means Monday.
Yeah,
Monday.
yes, last extension days, so whatever it is. And I think if we have asked, we will get more extension days if it's possible.
If needed.
I will talk to the National Hajj Committee chairman. If we need it, I think we will get more time for that.
Yeah. Okay. Now, before I want to go on the next step to you, but before that, we'll go in for a small break. See you on the other side. Welcome back. Now, Urfan Bab, what I want to ask you, now central level also, there has been a lot of push to to reach out to the minorities at a political level. Even the Prime Minister has been making lots of efforts to reach out to various things and all. But in Goa also the push has not started अजून काय दिसोंक येना because central level this focus को जाला सारको, and even to the extent which I don't know, our sources have told us that even he has been very clear whether they vote or don't vote doesn't matter. You have to reach out to them. You have to make them part of the mainstream. You have to make them part of the BJP. This is what we've heard. You can confirm, deny any. What is the scene in Goa? Goa this na only. I don't know, according to us. Maybe Kotta, but Kotta.
See, Goa what happened?
No, first part confirm. Zala tashe central level.
The central level, see, as a last in executive meeting, zali central level ji. When there is a renewal, all the states has been given extension. That time, Narendra Modi ji has clearly said to reach out to the Muslims, whether they will vote for you or they not vote for you.
That's correct.
So हे घेऊन सगळे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट जे आसा सगळे स्टेटीनी रिटर्न येयले आणि त्याचो विजन जे आसा घेऊन आमकां जे आसा एज अ मायनॉरिटी मोर्चा, सो आय एम ऑल्सो द स्पेशल इन्वायटी इन द मायनॉरिटी मोर्चा टीम. ही कॉल्ड आवर पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट इमिजिएटली टूक अ मीटिंग एंड ही सेड कि यू हैव टू रीच आउट टू द पीपल एंड आमकां मुस्लिमां वांगडा रीच वी हैव टू कनेक्ट देम. आमी कनेक्ट करपाक लागून हाव वी आर गोइंग टू कनेक्ट देम. वी हैव टू कनेक्ट विथ द स्किम्स. वॉट हॅपन थोडे कितें जाता की तुमकां कितलेंय काम केलें कशें आसता लिडरान कितलेंय काम केलें तुका आनी लास्टाक जेन्ना इलेक्शन टायम येता दॅट टायम समबडी से दीस इज अ कम्युनल पार्टी. आय ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू बाबा देर आर पीपल लायक आम आदमी पार्टी, काँग्रेस पार्टी, सीपी, दे डू ओनली वन थिंग. दीस बीजेपी मीन्स कम्युनल थिंग. बीजेपी म्हणल्यार मातले खातले. सी हे एक अजेंडा जो आसा तेमी करून दवरला, एक एटमॉस्फियर करून दवरता ते इलेक्शना टायमार. दॅट टायम वोटर कितें जाता जे मुस्लीम कम्युनिटी वॉन्टेड टू वोट, रियली वॉन्टेड टू वोट, दॅट फियर वॉट दे हॅव क्रिएटेड and the fear create करपा हे लीडर जे आसता हेंचे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट बी जाल्ले आसता दे आर सारखे फ्रंट रोवाचेर आसता हे लोकांक जे आसा मिसगायड करपाक लागून, बिकॉज दे देमसेल्स आर मिसगायडेड. तेंचे कामूच ते लायफान तेच करून येयला. कोणाचें बरें ते पळोवंकूच जायना आनी ते कोणाचें बरें करपाचें ना लायफान. सो दीस पीपल स्टार्टेड दे आर मिसगायड करपाक ट्राय करता ते. आनी ऑन दॅट ग्राउंड जे आसा लोक वोट मारपाचे टायम ऑफ दे पीपल आर नॉट वोटिंग. एंड आफ्टर दॅट सेंटिमेंट जे जाता एवरीबडी इज हॅव्हिंग सेंटिमेंट्स. द पार्टी वेदर दी पार्टी और आमचो लिडर तांकां सेंटिमेंट जेन्ना हर्ट जाता आमी इतले कोत्ता people are not voting for us. When we see the booth, there are no votes are not coming from Muslim community. This is, you know that Baba, there are 500 Muslims. When they know the 500 Muslims are there, among that only suppose we are getting only 50 votes. What about 450 votes? Why they are not voting for us? आम्ही त्यांच्या वांगडा कितें wrong केला? Why they are not voting for us? You see the Valpai, maximum 90% of Muslims are voting.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. See, so if the proper connect is there, if the party connects with the minorities, be it Muslim, be it anything, people will vote.
So now we have already.
Anything.
So that's all I'm saying. So we have started our next step. and we have आम्ही मस्जिदीनी we are reaching to the masjid, we are reaching to the priest who are preaching in the mosque and all, and we will request them. And बाकीचे जे leaders are very soon after Ramzan we are going to call a meet of all Goa level, and we will see that Muslims should be connected to the BJP, and people have already faith in Dr. Pramod Sawant. People have seen his administration. लोकांक जे आसा तेजे administration आयज जे आसा खबर आसा, and I think we will definitely आमचे Muslim जे आसा will come to the BJP.
As you only said, that there is a lot of hype, but people should be no, okay, fine. I go to Urfan, he will sort out my issue. I go to Dr. Pramod Sawant, he will sort out my issue. So that trust has to be built, right? And Goa is one place where you can build. Northeast also today the BJP has done very well, where a lot of the states are Catholic dominated, minority dominated. So that thing in Goa.
See, Northeast have given message. Now, how Northeast? Before Northeast, Goa has given message.
Yes.
Goa also have given message. Ki Dr. Pramod Sawant and Party President Sadanand Tanawade, how they are working. The same lineup is given message to the Northeast also. कि बाबा गोयान जे आसा हे दोगांय कशें काम करता, तिनी कम्युनिटी कशें बराबर घेवन वयता. Same lineup today you see the result of Northeast, where the Catholic community 80% Catholic community is there, 70% Catholic community is there, and somewhere is a 50-50 community is there. ती असले percentage जेन्ना आसा थंय आयज लोकांनी मोदीचे विश्वास दवरून जे आसा आयज जे आसा सत्ता हाडून दिल्ली कडेन आसा. This is a message. And I today that only Modi ji is saying, you reach out to the Muslim, whether they are voting for you or not. त्यांचे काम करा तुम्ही. And that is the reason today every our party president given instruction to all the MLAs and minister, cabinet minister also, कि बाबा you just reach out to the public. So today now फाल्यां परवां जे आसा Saturday जे आसा we kept the meeting with the panchayatini, we have kept a meeting with all the officers have been called, IS officer given a responsibility each panchayat. कोणाचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक लागून लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम देर विल बी नॉट थिंगा हें सांगपाचें ना यू आर कॅथलीक यू आर मुस्लीम हिंदू एवरीबडी विल बी वेलकम देर एवरीबडीज हियरिंग विल बी देर बाबा तुजें कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा द IS officer who will be there, minister who is there, he will listen to the problem and we will try to sort out the issues. So this is the message wanted to give, this thing our chief minister wanted to give, and the same line as per the direction of the Narendra Modi ji, our chief minister and the party president is working.
So you are confident that all these schemes and all these things, because see, Muslim community, you have to admit, a lot of the Muslim community is marginalized in Goa. Catholic community not so much, but so to bring them into mainstream and all would take effort, no? And you know, because you are very well connected to the thing, to your community very well. You like come up from the grassroots. So you are confident Zatle Monone to bring the people to the mainstream.
See, first I wanted to give you an example of Shahi Imam. Once upon a time, the Shahi Imam himself was giving the statements not to vote for the BJP.
Correct.
He's a communal party and this, that. Yesterday you have seen he is having everything with them, and he himself is saying, I want to join BJP and I wanted a part of the BJP. And we all have to be with them. He is appealing to the Muslim community. What is message? Narendra Modi ji's vision, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Vikas, or Sabka Priyas, was on Narendra Modi's vision. Today, this thing, Imam has changed from the center. It's automatically people of Goa will be also changed. And this slowly people have started connected. Now if you see the Hajj committee, now you see the minority morcha. First nobody was there in minority morcha. Now today many people have started joining with the minority morcha. It has become a big force. We are going to arrange one big public meeting of minority morcha itself.
Okay.
So this is a message. Okay. The minority morcha is organizing the huge big public meeting, and you see the impact of that. Automatically people will vote. Once they have joined me, they will vote for you. They cannot go and vote for somebody else.
Okay.
Joining with BJP, definitely they will vote for the BJP.
Yeah, but it's not only vote, right? You also, the government is planning on bringing up the community as a whole. Lots of issues. That's what I was saying. Marginalized Muslim among all the thing. I think the Muslims are the
Hajj committee is not going to be, means Hajj committee will not. Hajjaches form thinga borpache na.
Okay.
All the scheme whichever the government is planning, about schemes is there from the center.
Okay.
In Hajj office we will do that. Baba ki sagle Hajjache schemes will be delivered from the Hajj office to the amche jitle mosque ha masjid ha, we will distribute.
Okay.
But thinga sam distribution kottale.
Okay.
Ki baba ee scheme jasa available hai, if anybody need anything, you please contact the Hajj office. because Hajj SB staff is also increased. First there was nobody was there, only one clerk was. Today it is not like that. We got a 5-6 staff.
Okay.
We got everything, computers, everything is there today.
So you can reach out to the people.
To reach out to people. Why Chief Minister giving everything, all the facilities, our home department, which is the home secretary is our this member secretary, then our so everybody is there, and they all officer also wanted. They are saying you just do the work. We are here. The fund is also there. We have to utilize that fund, Baba, to right purpose and for the welfare of the people, and we will do it.
Okay. Now, Irfan Bab, now this was a lot of your social and what about Irfan, the politician? Is he, have you given up politician? You're going to remain in social work, or you're still in?
See, I am the loyal soldier of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay.
Whatever responsibility party will give me, I will do it.
Okay.
My party president, Sadanand Tanawade, and my chief minister, whatever he will tell me, tomorrow he will tell me you go to and work there, that constituency, I'll go and work that constituency. Because I told you before, and so I think my last interview was there, that we are going to win a Nabilis. Channel only. I told you we are going to win more than 20 seats. We won that time 20 seats also. So whatever I am saying, no, is going to happen. Okay. And the same thing I am going to tell you, ki Baba, whatever responsibility my party president Sadanand Tanawade, who is working day night, you have seen he is sleeping, Rati se dona gata nita, and morning if you see he is not there at home, again he is living from his home. So he is not giving his time to his family, but he is giving more time to the party karyakartas, he is giving more time to a party worker, he is giving more time to the people of Goa. So this is a message he wanted to give, and on the same line, the people of Goa and BJP Karyakarta are working today. They are following our party president. How kitlo kaam karta tha phone jaisa. Like this, nobody is work. I think the way our party president is working, and that is the reason people are having faith in him, and that is the reason people are giving mandate everything. तो हुए हाथ घालता थिंगा आमचे जैसा मांगा रहता था. So whatever it is, so म्हाका दिसता की our party president, whatever responsibility we given us to my shoulder, I will definitely work on it.
So Irfan, the politician, is still alive.
The politician always alive. Once he is gone, he's gone up. That time everything is gone.
Another thing also, now you have gone to south from north. No, you were official.
Yeah, we are original from south only.
I know you are from Margao, but you were in north for a long time.
My office is likely to shift it to south now. Hajj office is likely to be shifted to south.
Okay.
My CM and party president also preferred me to South Collectorate building. They will tell me to this thing. We will after the Ramzan we will inaugurate our office, and now South House gala third set. So it's better to be in the office because responsibility whatever given I wanted to deliver.
One thing little political now. Many constituencies in Goa, there are a sizable amount of Muslims, right? Sizable, like Valpo is there. Magir Naveli has got part of it. Magir, I don't know, Saurde, Vasco, Ponda, sizable. So you have a big task ahead of you, right?
Yeah,
because it is not only one place. And this time Naveli has you all have got Naveli, which was a surprise to many. Though you had come and told me, nah, jiktats banon. But
see, you should have confidence first of all.
No, but what I'm saying, wait.
Our party was having confidence.
No, that's okay. But before that, lot of constituencies have got sizable Muslim. No, which like.
See, now basically is Margao, if you see. Margao.
Yeah.
Then Navalim constituency is there. Fathoda constituency is there.
Fathoda also.
Then if you go Kurturi also, now it is increased. Housing board. Then Rai, Ramnay, everything, if you see, it is more than 4,000 and all. Okay. So Tinga, Fonda is around, good population is a Fonda, then Vasco.
Vasco is strong.
Yeah. Then Mapsa is also there. Santaguru's Chimbel, huge population is there. So 7-8 constituencies is where the Muslims is the deciding factors.
And also the Muslim today, the overall Muslim is more around 10%, no?
Yeah, it's around 10 to 12% Muslims are there. And I think today most of the Muslims are having full faith in our BJP government.
Today Panjim also has got about 1,500.
Yeah, see, that plays major role. If you see
winning
margin 600, 700. So Muslim also can that 600, if it's not in one side, If he goes another side, definitely one person will go home.
Correct.
So it's make lot of difference. That 500 or 300 votes makes lot of difference. Our MLA also from Navili also won with the same this thing.
Okay. No, last question. Yeah, you were saying like many of these like people are going to. They have faith in it. So Lok Sabha also. Why I was asking you this question is because now Lok Sabha elections are coming up. So there also in many areas. This is going to be a play in South Goa, especially. You think it will play an important part because last time South Goa was a Congress seat. This time the BJP is trying very hard to.
No, we will easily win this time.
Easily
we are going to win South and North both the seats. There will be no one.
Why are you saying this? Why are you saying this? Because
We
of
are
the
having,
opposition unity
we are
or
having-
because of the strength of the party?
Strength of the party, and I told you already. Told you that our party president, chief minister, working day night.
Okay.
They are reaching to the people of Goa.
Okay.
They are trying to solve the issues.
Okay.
Whatever issues, if chief minister is not reaching there, our party president and is trying to sort out the issues. So that is the main reason the people are connected today to the BJP.
Okay.
Day by day our numbers is increasing, and as a reason we are going to win both the seats. या opposition कितले एक झाले आणि सगळे मिळून बसून आम आदमी पार्टी एनसीपी टीएमसी सगळे मिळून बसून एक सीट घालीत जाल्यापासून we are going to win both the seats.
Okay. Anyway, now we have to see Irfan Bab because last time also he came here and he said, "Na Navili, I'm coming." We were surprised, but anyway, it came true. So let's see. He says that North and South both are going to come to BJP. Of course, this is little off topic from the original. What we discussed originally, but let's see. We'll bring him closer to re-election. Then we'll see if the position is still the same. But thank you, Irfan Bab. Thank you very much for coming on our show, and I hope to see you more often. And if there's anything we can do for you and you're always welcome to approach us.
On
Thank
behalf
you.
of the Hajj committee, and all the Goa 365 team देव बरें म्हणटा की after being Hajj committee chairman you called me here and आमच्या अख्खे Hajj committee टीम जे आसा सगळे जे आसा Goa 365 देव बरें करूं.
No, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, Irfan Bab. Thank you. And this was Irfan Bab, close friend of mine for many years, and today he's the member. He's going to be heading the Hajj committee. We wish him best of luck in his tenure. Thank you, and keep watching Goa 365.